Zeiierman's Volume SuperTrend AI indicator is designed to take the familiar SuperTrend structure and concept and make it more adaptive by blending in volume and a simple machine learning model. So instead of relying on price alone, it builds the trend line from a volume-weighted base, then uses a k-nearest neighbours classification process to help judge whether the current SuperTrend state should be read as bullish or bearish. The result is a trend tool that aims to stay recognizable as a supertrend, while adding another layer of decision-making around how that trend is classified. At its core, the indicator still behaves like a supertrend. It uses an ATR-based band structure and flips direction when price action moves beyond those adaptive boundaries. What changes here is the underlying source. Rather than using a plain price average, the script builds the line from a selectable moving average style that is volume-aware, including options such as SMA, EMA, WMA, RMA, and VWMA. That gives the trend line a stronger connection to trading activity, which can make it more responsive when price movement is being supported by volume rather than drifting without much participation. The AI element comes in through the classification layer. The script smooths both price and the supertrend, then compares the current supertrend state with a selected set of historical observations using a weighted k-nearest neighbours method. In practical terms, that means the indicator is checking which prior conditions most closely resemble the current one, then using those neighbours to decide whether the active trend should be treated as bullish or bearish. The neighbour count and the size of the historical sample can both be adjusted, so the model can be made more reactive or more stable depending on how quickly you want it to respond. Another feature that stands out is the way the trend is presented visually. The main line changes colour with the classified trend state, and the script can also generate two kinds of signal markers. One set highlights the beginning of a newly classified bullish or bearish trend, while another marks directional supertrend flips that align with the AI classification. The cloud fill adds even more context by creating a layered area between the active line and a smoothed reference, which helps make the current state easier to read at a glance. The settings also make it fairly flexible. The supertrend length and ATR factor control how tightly the line follows price, while the AI trend lengths influence how quickly the classification responds to change. Shorter settings can make the tool more reactive, but they can also introduce more noise. Longer settings smooth the behavior, which may help in stronger trends but can delay the shift when conditions begin to change. That balance is a big part of how the indicator is meant to be used. In summary, Volume SuperTrend AI works best as a structured trend framework. It helps combine direction, volume sensitivity, and AI-based classification into one line, which can make trend continuation and trailing behavior easier to read when the market is moving with conviction.